Hello from Marota, Spain. It's been almost 3 months since we moved to Spain, and we want to take you guys along on a little walk around our cute little Spanish town. A little action is happening here. DJ, music. That's super cute. What do we feel like eating today, guys?
Thai food.
Thai? Thai tea? Everybody's voting Thai? Okay, let's find a Thai restaurant.
I want Thai tea.
You want Thai tea? Okay.
I love the Thai tea.
We ended up finding Thai cuisine. Let's go check it out, guys. How's your Thai tea? This place gets busy at night.
I love
I think I'm gonna go to the water. Look who's following me. I thought you guys didn't want to come. I hope you guys enjoy this little walking tour through Rota, Spain. It's actually very nice right now because we're in the middle of December, and we heard that amount of people triples if not quadruples during the summertime. So We'll come back again and do a video in the summertime. Meanwhile, the camera is about to die.
Bye.
Bye.